Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Real Estate Market Minute with Macross Group. Today is June 16, 2026, and each week I break down the headlines that actually matter for buyers, sellers, and homeowners here across Southern California. This week we've got four big ones: a sales rebound, a supply squeeze, an inflation jump, and a cautiously optimistic outlook from the California Association of REALTORS. Quick heads up before we dive in. Everything here is for general information only, not legal, financial, or professional advice. Starting with the good news, existing home sales, that's single-family homes, townhomes, condos, and co-ops, rose 3.2% in May compared to April, which had been a pretty stagnant month. That same 3.2% gain shows up year over year too, so it's not just a one-month blip. And here's the standout number. Median home prices hit a record high for the month of May. Nationally, sellers are still dealing with relatively low competition, which is a big reason prices keep climbing even as sales pick up. My take: improving affordability is clearly drawing buyers back in, and with prices at record highs and competition still modest, well-prepared sellers are in a strong position heading into summer. Zooming out to the national numbers from Altos research, as of June 15th, weekly pending sales climbed to 75,856, up from 72,039 during the same week last year, a clear sign more buyers are writing offers. New listings came in at 81,754, which is actually a bit higher than a year ago, but still below what's considered a normal range of 80 to 100,000 new listings a week. Active single-family inventory is down just over 1% year over year, and only 37.93% of listings have had a recent price cut compared to 40% a year ago, meaning fewer sellers are caving on price. Here is my take. Buyer activity is outpacing new supply right now, so sellers should price strategically from day one, and buyers need to be ready to move quickly when the right home appears. Now, here's a number that touches everyone's wallet. Inflation jumped to 4.2% annually in May, the highest level since early 2023, up half a percentage point from April. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, energy costs made up more than 60% of that monthly increase, largely tied to the conflict involving the U.S., Israel, and Iran. Oil prices are up 35% since that conflict began in late February. Meanwhile, wage growth is falling behind. It's tracking at 3.4%, trailing inflation for the second month running, and real average weekly earnings actually fell 0.7% year over year, the biggest drop since February 2023. My take: energy-driven inflation touches borrowing costs and household budgets alike, so it's worth building a utilities and commute cushion into your housing budget, whichever side of a deal you're on. Finally, the big picture view from the California Association of REALTORS. The end of the U.S. Iran war is encouraging news for the economic and housing outlook, especially since energy-driven inflation and business uncertainty have been weighing on recent data. Easing tensions should help reduce upward price pressure, improve small business confidence, and support a modestly better outlook ahead. But risks remain. Inflation is elevated, the Fed isn't likely to cut rates soon, affordability is still strained, and regulatory costs continue pressuring new home prices. Rising equity withdrawals and foreclosure filings are also worth watching. Bottom line, conditions have improved, but the recovery remains cautious and uneven. This is good news, but affordability and rate pressure haven't disappeared. We're watching foreclosure and equity withdrawal trends closely as early signals of market health. So, to wrap up this week, home sales are picking up and hitting record prices. Supply is still tight nationally. Inflation just hit a 3-year high mostly because of energy costs, and the broader outlook is cautiously improving now that the Iran conflict has ended, but with real risks still on the table. As always, none of this is legal, tax, financial, or investment advice, just the facts, so you can make informed decisions for your own situation. If you're thinking about buying, selling, or just want to talk through what these numbers mean for you specifically, give us a call or email us, or visit our website, and follow Macross Group on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, X, and LinkedIn so you don't miss next week's Market Minute. Thanks for watching. See you next time.